sleeping. Hi.
你好，我是金B. My name is Jean-Baptiste. I'm a product designer from Europe. I'm half English, half French, but born and raised in Portugal. I've studied in the UK and Italy and work in several companies in Europe, and recently decided to come for a new opportunity here in China, in Yongkang, here at Filo. And so I wanted to find a new opportunity somewhere else, and there's, especially in the area of product design, there's lots of opportunity here in China. It's a manufacturing powerhouse, so with all of the factories, especially around and close to Yongkang, when I found this opportunity to come work for this company, I couldn't say no. There's always opportunities, there's always new projects, and a very wide range of different products. I mean, the previous companies I worked at were very specialized into a specific product category. Here I've worked on everything from home appliances to gym equipment, bits of everything, and it's what I was looking for. One of the most important things is not compassion, but kind of relating to who the customer is going to be. So for that, you have to put yourself into their shoes. And a lot of products that we make at Filo are sold for the European market or American or Chinese, and I feel I've got a good grasp on maybe what that might be, and I kind of want to also learn how the Chinese way of design is, and that's one of the reasons I came here. I'm not sure exactly how long I'm staying here, probably for a year or more. But I'm definitely going to come back because I want to start building something in the future, and so the experience I gain from here will be invaluable in the future.